talk about filing US taxes as an expat, because I have just filed mine. Now you might be thinking, but that's really late. Taxes were due months ago. And you're not wrong, but taxes are due on April 15th, right? In the US? Yeah. But if you're an expat, you get an automatic extension to June 15th, but it's still not June, it's now October. And the reason why I'm filing on October 15th is because I filed for an extension because my Portuguese taxes weren't due until June 30th after the automatic extension in the US, and I wanted to make sure I fully understood what I was going to be paying in Portugal before paying anything in the US so as not to double pay at all. Okay, but none of that is really my point. My point is twofold. One, as an expat, we should not be having to file taxes in the US. I've said it before and I'll say it again. It is absurd. There are two countries in this world that tax based on citizenship and not residency. They are the United States and Eritrea. The second thing is that the fact that there are so many accountants whose job it is to work for individuals, or if you don't hire an accountant, you have to pay like TurboTax or some other software to file your taxes, is crazy. And I don't think enough Americans think about this because they think this is normal. That it's normal to A, have to file taxes, and B, have it be so complicated that you probably can't figure it out on your own. Because that's not how it works in so much of the rest of the world. If you just have like a normal salaried job where your income is being reported and your taxes are being taken every month as you get paid throughout the year, then it's all done automatically at the end of the year. If you owe, you get an automatic, letter or request or whatever. And if you have a refund, it just comes through automatically. You have to do nothing in so many other countries. For example, I have just paid a few $100s for software to do my taxes in the US where I don't live. And in addition to doing my federal taxes, I also had to file a Vermont tax return. I owed nothing, but I still had to do it. And it cost me about $100 just to file that return. And yeah, I could do it myself, but it's complicated. And if I mess something up, I could then have to pay fines because I didn't understand it as a layperson who is not trained in this. I think that we all need to understand how weird that is, that the US government not only is taxing its citizens, but is making it so complicated that they're very likely to mess it up and then penalizing them when they do.